Short answer questions 1. What are the differences between web hosting and a web domain? Answer. A web domain is the address of a website on the internet, for example, www.example.com, while web hosting is the service that provides storage space on a server where website files are kept. A domain identifies a website, and hosting makes the website accessible online. 2. What are the main differences between a search engine and a web browser? Explain. Answer. A web browser is software used to access and view websites, such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge. A search engine is a web-based service used to search information on the internet, such as Google, Bing. The browser opens web pages, while the search engine helps find web pages. 3. What do you mean by web standard? Explain in brief. Answer. A web standard is a set of rules and guidelines that ensure websites work properly across different browsers and devices. These standards are developed by organizations like W3C to maintain consistency and compatibility on the web. Long answer questions 4. What do you understand by search engine? Explain the uses of a search engine. Answer. A search engine is a software system designed to search, retrieve, and display information from the internet based on user queries. It works by indexing web pages and showing relevant results. Uses of a search engine: finding information quickly, searching images, videos, and news, academic and research purposes, online shopping and comparison, locating websites and online services. 5. Define web hosting and its types. Answer. Web hosting is a service that provides space on a server to store website files and make them accessible on the internet. Types of web hosting: shared hosting. Multiple websites share one server. VPS hosting. Virtual private server with dedicated resources. Dedicated hosting. One server for one website. Cloud hosting. Uses multiple servers for better reliability. Short answer question 6. What are the applications of www? Answer. Applications of www include online education, e-commerce, social networking, online banking, entertainment, and media. 7. What are the uses of a search engine? Answer. Search engines are used to find information, search websites, get news updates, download software, conduct research. Short answer questions 8. Explain in brief about the history of the Internet. Answer. The Internet began in the 1960s as ARPANET, developed by the U.S. Department of Defense. It expanded globally in the 1980s, and in the 1990s, the World Wide Web made the Internet accessible to the public. 9. Explain in brief about web protocols. Answer. Web protocols are rules that define how data is transmitted over the Internet. They ensure proper communication between computers and servers. 10. Define web standard. Write its benefits. Answer. A web standard is a set of guidelines for creating websites that function consistently across platforms. Benefits: browser compatibility, better accessibility, improved performance, easier maintenance. Long answer questions 11. Describe web domain and web hosting. Answer. A web domain is the unique name that identifies a website on the internet, such as www.google.com. Web hosting is the service that stores website files on a server and allows users to access them online. Both are essential. The domain acts as an address, and hosting provides space. 12. Define web protocols and explain the types of protocols. Answer. Web protocols are rules that govern communication over the Internet. Types of web protocols: HTTP transfers web pages. HTTPS, secure version of HTTP. FTP transfers files. SMTP sends emails. POP3/IMAP receives emails.